Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered actors Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor for an exclusive interview on Zoom. So let's listen in.
Hi.
हाय रणवीर। हाय अर्जुन। क्यों आप हमसे खफा हो?
आप वादा कीजिए आप पिक्चर देखेंगे 14 तारीख को।
हम 14 तारीख को देखेंगे एंड 14 टाइम्स ओवर प्रॉमिस।
पूरे जूम को छुट्टी मिलेगी।
पूरी टाइम्स ग्रुप चलो टर्न अराउंड।
पूरी टाइम्स ग्रुप अभी।
That's if I have a job.
टाइम्स की बात होती है।
That's if I have a job till then.
टाइम्स आ गया।
मेरा टाइम्स आ गया।
Okay guys, on a serious note, welcome to the show.
सीरियस नोट?
तो फिर सीरियसली बोलिए।
हो आप।
Welcome to the show.
Mr. Ranveer Singh.
Madhurita, the nation wants to know why we need to go and all watch Gunde on February 14th.
Okay, because it has Arjun Kapoor, it has Ranveer Singh, it has Priyanka Chopra and
Mr. Irfan Khan.
Gotta love him. What a player.
What a player. Slumdog Millionaire. Life of Pi. And now Gunde. To be able to work with a guy like Irfan to begin with, I mean, to be honest, as an actor, superb.
He's a boss actor.
Game changer in the sense. He's made people realize that it's all about performance.
पहले दिन पे जो साथ में हमने सीन किया था उनके साथ, हम तो बस उनको देखते ही रह गए।
हक्के बक्के रह गए।
Really? कैसे मतलब use of his eyes, his body language, his reaction, बस ऐसे ही देख रहे थे। Yeah, he's so gifted. He has such a voice, you know. इस कहानी में सैलाब
You know, we heard that when you guys read each other's part, you want to actually swap the roles.
Yeah.
Is that true?
We both had a joint narration. He got a call from Adi, I got a call from Adi. Didn't tell us which role will be for whom.
Okay.
Firstly, he said, "Suno, देखो तुमको करनी है या नहीं." I think we were pretty keen without even hearing it.
So you didn't know your parts at all to start with?
No.
Okay.
We didn't know which part we are being offered. We were being offered a film.
Okay.
They knew what they wanted us to do, but they didn't tell us because I think that would make us only concentrate on. They wanted us to see the bigger picture. We had a fantastic narration. मतलब narration में ये हाल था कि we were on कि अली ने जो narration दिया उसमें background music भी है और effect भी थे.
अरे first of all, straight off the bat. और फिर दो लड़के स्क्रीन की तरफ स्लो मोशन में 48 फ्रेम्स में भाग रहे हैं।
Okay, that detailing, huh?
He is front foot, I'm back foot. I'm laid back, he's impulsive. And Ali made us realize, he said, you guys are now doing Lutera and Aurangzeb, and he has Ram Leela, I had 2 states. He said, but by the time this film comes, you need to do something different. Don't be in that comfort zone of playing yourself. Then what is your push? What is your drive in front of the camera?
Bala is like Shivag. And Bikram is like Dravid.
He summed up my 30-minute narration.
That's it. But you know, like films on romance is something we haven't seen much. You know, there was Dostana quite some time ago. It takes a lot of confidence from 2 very big actors to come together and do this. You know, even if the movie excited you so much, somewhere, you know, it takes very good actors and very confident actors to come together. Ranveer.
Yeah, you have to be secure. You have to be confident of your own ability. To be able to do that.
This producer could have gone to any mainstream actor and offered the script.
Right.
It's such a well-written script in terms of 2 roles. Chota Muh Badi Baat to talk about the success or failure of a film. But as characters, I think he would have got any A-list actor at that point to do it. He's chosen us. Correct, so I think he had that belief we are compatible. So then why get into that insecurity and thought process?
Okay, it was great talking to you all and they won't let me talk anymore. So thank you so much. We had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed so much.
No, we had a blast. Thank you for having us here.
Thank you so much.
Moving on, here's B-Town's Desi girl who's gone all out to share details about her love life exclusively with Zoom. Take a look in our next story. Not just in real life. In real life too, Priyanka Chopra's entry has made 2 of her admirers go gaga over her.
जी हुआ है काफी बार हुआ है
But if you thought this was Priyanka's romantic words just around Valentine's Day, then hold your thought. Because now we'll show you Priyanka's biggest confession about her love life.
प्रियंका पता कभी रियल लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि 2 लड़के एक साथ प्रियंका की अटेंशन के लिए वो कर रहे हो फाइट कर रहे हो?
जी हुआ है कब हुआ था ये? काफी बार हुआ है।
मतलब इंडस्ट्री में अभी हाल के दिनों में भी हो रहा है?
इंडस्ट्री में भी हुआ है और मतलब होता ही है ना
Well, PC exclusively revealed her biggest secret, something which has always been happening in the industry but has always remained a big secret. And while others choose to stay tight-lipped about such matters, Priyanka has gone all out to share with us about her real-life love triangle. Just the way Ranbir and Arjun both are trying to impress Priyanka in Gunde, in real life too there have been two actors who have tried to impress PC. But who are they? Are they the same rumored exes who have been linked with PC earlier, or is it someone else?
मैं किसी चीज का नाम देती हूँ आपको का नाम कितने सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है
कभी बहुत
Well, that was quite a wicked laughter. Or it could also mean that there are many who try to impress her, but none from the industry match up to her standards.
लड़के से
कभी नहीं बोला मुझे ये पता नहीं कौन होगा मेरे लायक होना चाहिए वो बड़ा मुश्किल है थोड़ा
वो बड़ा मुश्किल है। अच्छा आपकी
स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई
Well, everyone knows about PC's high standards, but the new thing that we got to know that Priyanka's offer is open for the industry people as well. But the only problem is that they're not able to match up to Priyanka's high standards. And that's not all. Her expectations are confusing as well. A good guy is not fit for her.
I like bad boys I like bad boys
Well, now where could we get a bad boy who's also good enough to match up to PC's standards?
लड़के से
कभी नहीं बोला मुझे ये पता नहीं कौन होगा मेरे लायक होना चाहिए वो बड़ा मुश्किल है
वो बड़ा मुश्किल है। अच्छा आपकी
स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई
वो तो आप कितनी बार बोल चुकी हैं आपके स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई लोग अपने स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ाने के चक्कर में लोग ढूंढते कहीं ये स्टैंडर्ड मिलते प्रियंका चोपड़ा कहीं खरीद लिए जाए इस तरह से कि मैं उस स्टैंडर्ड
प्रियंका के स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं क्या
Let's see how far can PC push a marriage by using the high standards trick. But the fact still remains that in real life too, there have been two people who have tried to impress Priyanka.
प्रियंका पता कभी रियल लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है किसी की दो लड़के एक साथ प्रियंका की अटेंशन के लिए वो कर रहे हो फाइट कर रहे हो
जी हुआ है
कब हुआ था ये
काफी बार हुआ है
मतलब इंडस्ट्री में अभी हाल के दिनों में भी हो रहा है
इंडस्ट्री में भी हुआ है और मतलब होता ही है ना मतलब होता ही है ना
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But when we come back, Vidya Balan's candid chat on Zoom. Stay tuned.